Welcome back to another hip hop breakdown. Let's get right into it. All right. So today we are doing this quick choreography at Cabrillo, and this is my boy here, Kim. He's helping me out. This is his first time taking a dance class, so welcome and thank you for helping me out with this video, Kim. Okay, here we go. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do this halftime, and we're gonna do 4 counts at a time, so small chunks. All right, let's check this out. Here we go. All right, very simple. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Let's check this out again. So from the previous choreography, we started with the lean. So if you don't know what we did before, I'm gonna post a link so you can check out what we did before. So we end up in this position, we're kind of slanted to the side, and we're starting with our arms, our elbows up. You can see the elbows up right here. There's a slight bending of my knee, but if you take a look at Kim right here, he has a better angle with the slant. All right. So 1 and 2, we're touching our shoulders. Our shoulders going 1 and 2 right there. So shoulder, shoulder, down. 1 and 2, okay? And right on the 3, we're doing a little tutting. So in this choreography, we're doing some tutting right here. 3, we're doing this angle. Watch my angle right here. Kim's angle isn't really good right there. He should be slanted down. His angle, look at his hands. His hands are very horizontal, where they should be kind of pointing down, okay? So there's a 3, and then right on the 4, boom, I'm straightening up. So his knees should be straighten up right there. Straighten up, body straight. 3 and 4, right angle. It's trying for the right angle. And this arm kind of slanted down. It should be straight up like this, okay? That's the 3 and 4. Let's take a look one more time, halftime. Here we go, halftime. 1 and 2. Notice on the 3, 4. Watch my head as well. Going back on the 3, I'm looking where my fingers are pointing. 3, and right on the 4, head is looking as well. So Kim did a good job as well. Okay, 3 and 4. Let's take a look at that. Just tempo. Okay, tempo. That was kind of quick. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Okay. So moving forward, let's go to the next part, which is 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're gonna do it halftime. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So there's 2 parts to it. First part, take a look at what the legs are doing. Okay. So I'm just stepping forward, my left leg first. Just watch the leg, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. For those of you that were in class, it was kind of difficult to do what, have the leg do one thing and the arms do one thing. So the legs itself is fine, so you guys should be fine. Now, let's take a look at what the arms are doing, okay? So we're starting here, this is 4. We're dropping down on the 5. That's the 5, and the goal is, I'm not even doing a good job right here. I'm trying to get a nice flat angle with a hand here. So my left hand was doing good, my right hand didn't really get a flat angle. That's 5, and, okay, here's my and. Again, my left hand is doing good, right hand not so good. 5 and 6, this part is okay. 6 is up, 6, and, we'll flip it over, and right on the 7, I'm clapping my hand, but they're crossed, okay? Notice this 7 right here, okay? Cross, 7, and this is where I flip it up, okay? So from the hand down, I flip up, 7, and on the 8, there's my praying position. I clap on the 8. One more time, let's watch that one slow. Count with me. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. At the same time, you notice the feet are stepping. So that is the difficult part. If you never tried that before, give it a try. I think it's kind of interesting to see how we coordinate our hands and body together. Okay, once you've done that, if you're ready to go try tempo, let's see it. Do it with us. Tempo. Here we go. kind of quick. Let's watch that one more time. Ready? Here we go. 5 and 7 and 8. Okay, that's it. So let's put this together. We're gonna do the 1-8 count all the way from here. Okay, for 1-8 count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So there's quite a lot of stuff in there, but rewind it back if you need to break it down slow. Okay, the idea is we chunk it up 4-8 count at a time, 1, 2, 3, 4, and do 5, 6, 7, 8, and then put it together 1 through 8. If you have that, we're gonna move forward to the following 8 count. Here we go. That's our slow. 1 and 2, take a look at the leg, okay? 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So on the and 3, I'm bringing my, this is my left leg, even though this is mirror, this is not mirror, so this is my left leg. It looks on the right side. So I'm stepping left, right, and the left leg comes in. That's my 1, 2 on the and you see how to do a quick tap. When I say tap, I don't mean I don't put the whole foot down. Okay, it's not flat-footed. It's just a tap. The tip of the toe is tapping the floor, and then slide on the 3. Big slide on the 3. Breaking that out one more time. 1 and 2 and slide on the 3. So when we say slide, if you don't know what a slide is, go back to some of the other videos to see how we do on the slide. But basically, I step real wide, drag the following leg, 3, and then boom, step on the 4. Okay, we're gonna break it down now. Watch the arms, okay, or the hands. I'm in the prayer position right now, so I'm going 1, right on the 1. I'm just pushing my hands straight up. 1 and bring it back down and 2. So my prayer position, my hands are going straight forward. So it's up, down, and then straight forward. Okay, that's 2. On the and, watch the hands ready to pull. Okay, so my right hand is on my left shoulder. Boom, right here. And then pull on the 3. Pull, boom, hands down on the 4. Okay, let's watch that one more time. Slow, together with Kim. Looking at Kim, he did a real good job. The only thing that he wasn't quite ready is watch the and. That's 2. Notice on the end, I tapped already. See my feet? 2 and. So he was a little late. He was a little late on his and. Now he got there on the and. But he caught up on the 3 and then 4. Okay, watch that one more time. Okay. Alright. If you have that, let's try that tempo. Okay, just that portion, tempo. Quite quick. Okay, quite quick. But we are ready to move forward. If you are, come join us. Otherwise, rewind back. Again, this is one of those tricky ones where you got to do the legs and the arms together. Okay, so let's do the legs first. So I'm jumping out on the... So this is on the 5. Let's start on the 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so again, focus on the legs. What am I doing? I'm only pivoting on the ball of my feet. So my heels are going out, in, out, in. Okay, there's 2 versions of this. In class, I suggested that some of the people do jumping. The reason why we want to jump is later in our choreography, we might do some formation changes. For now, just want to do this right now. You don't have to jump.